Good evening viewers, I'm Naina Sareen and you're watching Such the Reality. In today's Reality Rundown, we bring you the top 10 stories making headlines today. Have a look. Residents of Guwahati will face a 4-day water supply disruptions from March 2nd to March 5th as the Guwahati Jal Board conducts a robotic survey of its pipeline network. The inspection aims to detect leaks and assess infrastructure conditions. Acting on intelligence inputs, Cachar police intercepted a vehicle at Silkuri Road, Silchar, recovering 415 gram heroin and rupees 2 lakh cash. Two suspected peddlers were arrested. BSF patrol confronted 20 to 25 Bangladeshi intruders in Tripura, Sipahijala district. Attackers tried to snatch weapons, injuring a BSF Jawan. In self-defense, BSF fired a non-lethal PAG round, leading to a smuggler's death. Investigation is underway. Hundreds joined Sadbhavna Padyatra, urging the Arunachal government to enforce APFRA 1978 to prevent forced conversions. IFSCAP stretches the act ensures religious harmony, not restrictions. Meanwhile, Arunachal Christian Forum plans Assembly Gheraw on March 6th, opposing the law. The state faces a growing divide over faith and freedom. Arunachal Pradesh held its first ever GI Mahotsav in New Delhi, promoting indigenous products. Chief Minister Pema Khandu announced it as an annual event, aiming for 50 GI tags by 2030 to boost artisans and farmers. Union Minister Kiran Rijiju stressed GI tagging's role in global recognition. A dilapidated house in Tarn Taran, Punjab, turned into a death trap as its roof collapsed while a family of 5 was asleep. The tragedy occurred due to excess weight from waste material stored on the rooftop. A temporary support structure at Hyderabad University collapsed, injuring 11 workers. Swift rescue operations by NDRF police and CPWD ensured no casualties. A boom pump mishap is suspected as the cause. A high-stakes Trump-Zelensky meeting turned into a heated exchange, with Trump accusing Zelensky of gambling with World War III and abruptly asking him to leave the White House. No deal was signed, escalating global tensions. Trump later declared Zelensky not ready for peace. Lieutenant General Talita Crossland, one of the highest-ranking black female officers, was forced to retire after 32 years as Trump's military leadership overhaul continues. The move aligns with Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth's efforts to eliminate diversity and inclusion programs in the Pentagon. Team India starts strong with back-to-back wins against Bangladesh and Pakistan in the Champions Trophy 2025. While the bowlers and middle order played key roles, the Rohit Gill opening duo is stealing the show, shaping up as one of the India's best ever ODI partnerships.